online classes. So this is your first academic year's online class, and children, today we are going to discuss the social science subject. In social science we are going to discuss history section, the first chapter, that is Advent of Europeans to India for class 10th standard. So in this particular video, in this lesson we are going to highlight the points like objectives and introduction. So first I will begin with the objectives. What are the objectives of this lesson? Well children, in objectives we are going to discuss the trade and commerce relationship that has been taken place between India and the Europe countries. Then along with this we are going to discuss arrival of the Europeans to the India for the trade purpose, and slowly children here the Carnatic War has been taken place between the British and the French, and between the Indian kings and between the Britishers for the purpose of gaining supremacy over India. Along with this here children, we are also going to discuss about Battle of Plassey, which has been taken place in 1757, and Battle of Buxar, which has been taken place in the year 1764, and we are also going to discuss about dual government. Okay, so along with this children, here we are also going to discuss about the British policy of aggression. So these are the important objectives of this lesson. Okay, so now we will start the introduction of this lesson. So what is the introduction of this lesson children here? Well children, the introduction of the lesson is like this children here. I already said you that the relationship of India and Europe. What kind of relationship was there between India and the Europe? Well children, so here you can see that the chiefly available Indian commodities like spices like cardamom was there, spices like cardamom, ginger, black pepper. So these were the important Indian commodities. Those were in great demand in the European market. Okay, and these were abundant in the Indians only, in the Indian markets only. Isn't it true, no children? So because of this purpose, each and every European they wanted to have trade relationship with India. Okay, so here the question will arise. So if there is a great demand for all these spices, means how the Europeans they are going to have trade relationship with the India? Through sea route, through the land route. Which route they would have adopted? Well children, here you can see that these all products were exported to the Europe through the sea route, that is via Persia, Gulf, Red Sea and other land routes. Okay, through these routes this trading has been taken place. Okay children, so here you can understand that so Italy was the first country to have trade relationship with India. So how it is possible? So children, here you can see that travelers like Niccolo Conti and Marco Polo. So these were the important travelers. What they did, they would have given the account for the purpose of India's richness and about the India's wealth. Okay, so after knowing this all here, each and every country wanted to have trade relationship with India. Among these here children, Italy was first. Italy had the monopoly over Asia, Arab and other European countries. Okay, so here children, these Okay, Milan, Venice and Genoa. So these cities came into existence as the richest cities. So Italy acted as a wholesale dealer of all these commodities. But children, the time has been changed. Okay, so after knowing all these changes here, the Europeans they competed with each other to have trade relationship with India. So in such condition, what happened here? Ottoman Turks they captured an important city. Its name is Constantinople in 1453. Constantinople was captured by the Ottoman Turks. In 1453. So this was the only land route to connect India and the Europeans. This was captured by the Ottoman Turks children here. So here if the Italians they are going to use this route, then they have to pay more taxes. Okay, so they have to pay more taxes if they are going to have trade relationship through this route. Okay, so here when Italians agreed to pay more taxes to use this route, at that time what happened children here? Italians they were facing the loss. Okay, they were facing the loss. Due to this reason, it was necessary for the Europeans to find out new sea route to India for the purpose of the establishment of the trade relationship between India and the Europeans. So here, in search of the new sea route for India, they looked for all alternatives. They looked for all alternative routes to connect with India. So they started finding route through Atlantic Ocean. Then here Portugal and Spain. So these two countries they really encouraged the sea voyage. Okay. So why they would have encouraged? Because they wanted to have a trade relationship with India. Okay, children. So here first and followed by many other Europeans, they started finding new sea route to India. The scientific inventions like mariner, compass, gunpowder, maps and other naval equipments were used for the sailing purposes. They conducted sailing of voyage in sea. Okay, this has been taken place. So here you can see that children, along with this, the fall of the Constantinople. As you know that children here, sorry children. Next point is that fall of Constantinople. So, you know that what is the background and what is the main place of Constantinople. So, children, here you saw that Italians they used this route to export their goods from India to the European markets. Isn't it true, no children? But here, Constantinople, this has been acquired, this has been captured by the Ottoman Turks in 1453. So at that time what happened children here? Asia and Europe. Through these places the marketing was going on. So automatically the trade has been stopped. The city of Constantinople, so it was acquired in 1453. So all trade routes connecting the city came under the control of Turks. Then Turks started to add many taxes for passing the good through this sea route. Okay, so I hope up to here the concept is clear. So in this particular video we studied about the particular lesson. So here what we saw that the arrival of the Europeans to India for trade purposes. So when the Europeans they arrived to India, they started constant fighting with each other. Means here Carnatic wars has been taken place. So now the Europeans they started arriving in India. In that Portugals were first. After the Portugals here, the Dutch came, the British came, and it has been followed by the French people also. Okay, so here there was a constant fight for the purpose of gaining supremacy over India, and this aim has been supported by the situation of the Indian kings also, because they were also engaged in constant fighting with each other, no children. So this situation gave a fruitful development for the Britishers, okay, through the three Carnatic wars. Okay, the first Carnatic war, so here you can see that children, the war has been taken place between the French and the English. In the second Carnatic war, the war has been taken place again with the French, the Britishers and the Indian kings, and lastly the third Carnatic war, once again it has been taken place with the French and the English. Okay, so like this the war has been taken place. So all the Carnatic region it came under the control of the Britishers. So here only the development has not been stopped, children. So here the constant development has been taken place. Now Britishers they turned their attention towards the Bengal. It was a very rich province at that time. To gain supremacy over the Bengal region here, Battle of Plassey has been taken place in the year 1757, and Battle of Buxar also has been taken place. So Battle of Buxar it has given immense wealth to the Britishers. Through the Battle of Buxar, they are going to have, or they got the right to collect revenue from the peasants of India. Okay, so like this slowly they started acquiring all over India. Okay children, so I hope up to here the concept is clear. So if you have any doubts and if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Today's your lesson is that today's your homework is that make 10 points on this particular